Okay. Hi everyone and welcome to the webinar. So my name is Lynn, I'm a property coach here at Ronovationz, and I'm here to discuss with you today the property workshop that's happening this Saturday at the Ellerslie Event Centre. So it's going to be running over 2 days. Oops. So the first workshop is at the Ellerslie Event Centre. Stores open at 4 a.m. till 9 a.m. to 4 p.m. on Saturday, the 14th of September. And then the following day, we're actually going to be having a roadshow. So let's get into it. What will you be learning at the 2-day workshop? So on day one, on the workshop, we're going to be talking about why property, why now, and why Auckland. So you're going to be learning about the fundamentals about property, where we discuss things like low interest rates, the best suburbs to invest in, the infrastructure that's happening all around us, the opportunities ahead, and so much more. Then we're going to be having one of our CA companies come in to talk to you about structures and entities. So to trust or not to trust, that is the question. So asset protection, which structures are actually best for you. So it's important to get these things set up before you start getting into the investment before you start buying. We're going to be talking about the IOD and the ring fencing rules and what it means to us, and a lot more as well. So, but all of these doesn't matter if we can't get finance. So we've actually got one of our trusted brokers coming in, and he's going to be talking about raising finance, how to get started, or how to kickstart your investment journey. So in that topic, we'll be talking about creative ways to get started, how mortgage calculators work, what is good debt versus bad debt, and banks versus non-banks. Then following that, we're going to be talking about the property buying process. So it's a step-by-step buying guide to basically build up your confidence and get you started into the property market. We're going to be talking about sales and purchase agreements, auction documents, what to look for, what are the different types of titles, what to look for on a limb. What is a limb? What's a title? What information can you find on a title? And then what's the difference between the property files that the agents give you versus the property file that you get from council? There's also, we're going to be talking about some key clauses that you can put in to use at your advantage as well. Okay, then the next step is due diligence, right? What to look for and when to walk away. How much is too much? As you can see in this picture here, there's big cracks in the driveway. So we'll be talking about what to look for, creating a checklist, and the different types of cladding to watch out for as well. So then the next thing is your numbers. We're going to be talking about your property analysis, how to actually analyze your property, whether you're buying a home or an investment. So sticking to your buying rules. What are your buying rules? How to work out your numbers, what to look for. We've also got a range of property tools as well that we'll be sharing with you. And also what is a property schedule and how to use a property schedule to your advantage as well. So the next step is you've got your structures done, then you've got your finance. Now you're actually looking in, you've got an idea of what to look for with your due diligence. Now it's getting on the road and actually finding the deals, yeah? So finding a property, setting buying rules and discipline. So buying rules, looking at how to look for deals, how to leverage your position, what's the difference with auctions and negotiations. But we also share with you insiders tips on how to take advantage of auctions and negotiations for your best interest and position as well. So we've also got tools that we'll share with you, what we use, and actually how to work best with real estate agents to get them on your side. And then what we're going to be talking about is renovating for profit, not renovating. So creative and cost-effective ways to basically add value. So we're going to be talking about the difference between a building code, a building consent versus a Schedule 1. We're also going to be talking about how to increase your cash flow and how to increase your equity. We've also got interior designs that have got proven results from our current customers that's worked for us as well. So we're sharing with all those tips and tricks, colors and designs and everything with you through the workshop. Then the next thing that we're going to be talking about is the coaches panel. This is your opportunity where we've got 5 coaches on the panel. And you can bring all your questions, whether you've thought of between now and then, or maybe questions that have come to you throughout the day. This is your chance to ask the coaches of, how did they get started? What difficulties did they have in the beginning, in the middle, or the end? And whether or not they're in the market buying them stuff at the moment as well. So if you've got those burning questions, make sure that you write them down, because we'd love to be able to answer as many questions as we can for you. So student panel. So the next up is obviously the success stories. What about hearing it directly from the clients themselves, where you can actually see real life, real people, real results in this current market? Customers that are buying 3-4 properties within a year, and it's a buy and hold strategy. So you must have, if you've got burning questions that you want to ask them as well, feel free to come along, write those questions down, and you can ask how these guys got started as well. We've got people, you know, that are single mums, we've got couples, and we've got all sorts from 19-year-olds up to the age of 74. Our group is very wide and broad, and everyone and anywhere can start at some stage. Okay, now then the second day is basically going to be on the Sunday the 15th is going to be the roadshow day. What is a roadshow? So on the roadshow, we basically teach you how to be a location expert. We actually take you on site to look at real life scenarios, real life examples of student renovations that are currently happening right now. Some of them might be in the very beginning stages, some of them might be in the middle, or some of them might be towards the end. We share loads of tips and tricks and how to increase your value. We talk about the numbers of how we got the property, what sort of renovation costs we're expecting, what sort of rent and value gain that we make on it, and so much more. Okay. So you'll be seeing examples like this here. This is an example of one of our students in Mount Albert. So in St. Luke's, this is a in between, and then sorry, the beginning, and this is an in between. And I didn't put up the after photos, but for this particular client, we were actually able to increase his cash flow as well as his equity in a space of 6 weeks. I think the equity gain on this one here, we're able to make about 120,000 in a 6-week renovation. So it was very impressive. So all of this will be basically discussed, and we hope to see a lot of you at the workshop on Saturday and Sunday. It is a full day. There's lots of learning and so much fun to be had. So if you haven't already got your tickets, feel free to go to eventbrite.co.nz/Ronovationz. Look for us. The tickets are $99 for regular seats, and if you want the VIP service as special treatment, you get to mingle with us in the morning, have breakfast with us, you get the photo opportunity with Ron as well. So we're really looking forward to seeing you guys there. But also I'm doing a special today where we've got 5 free tickets to give away. So if you're the first to register on Eventbrite, I've only got 5. Just 5, okay? There's 10 fingers, but I'm only giving away 5. So the discount code is complimentary Lynn, and that will give you a free ticket to the seminar that we've got on this weekend. So I really hope that was a quick overview, but I hope that gives you enough insight on what you'll be learning on Saturday and Sunday. So whether or not you are a first home buyer or an investor, or maybe you're an investor that hasn't been investing for the last couple of years, this is your Kickstarter workshop. So we kick you into action to get you on the property ladder, or to kickstart your investing journey, because now is the time. And as we say in property, it's never a good time to buy. You just got to buy and then wait. So thank you so much, and we hope to see you there this Saturday. And I'm also on Facebook and Instagram, Linh Nguyen, the property coach, and the discount code is complimentary_Lynn, spelled LINH, at the Eventbrite website. So hope to see you there with myself, all the coaches, as well as Ron. Thank you so much for your time. And yeah, so I hope you enjoyed that, and we'll see you then. Bye.